In February of this year, COMELEC awarded the AES election contract to the joint venture of Miro Systems. Miro Systems is from Korea. Okay? The cost is 17.99 billion. Ito, dapat ito, meron akong video na ipapakita pero hindi kasi masend doon sa pinadala ko kay Lino. So wala yung video natin. Pangkatagal ng oras dapat ito. That's 5 minutes na video. Okay? So, ano-ano ka-component nito? Okay? 17.99 billion na the total. And they will supply 110,000 machines. Okay? 104,345 ballot boxes. And 2,200 units of servers, laptops, and PCs. Okay, for a total of 17.99 billion. The joint venture originated from, hindi kasi po pwedeng 100%. Ano? So, it's a joint venture between Miro Systems from South Korea and another local company in the Philippines with a 60-40 allocation. Okay? In last month also, the COMELEC awarded the Secure Electronic Transmission Services worth 1.42 billion pesos to the joint venture of Ion Resources and Ardent Networks, Inc. Ano to? This is the part where the systems maintained by Miro, or to be provided by Miro, would be sending via electronic transmission to the National Canvassing Center. Ang tanong na ano ba gagamitin ito? Hindi ba Globe and Smart din ang gagamitin ito pag nag-transmit? Magsiset up ba sila ng sarili nilang network? Diba? Yes. Parang it's crazy, di ba? You are awarding 1.42 billion pesos contract to an unknown provider. Okay? Who would be using only the facilities of SMART, maybe PLDT, dito, and so on, for transmitting the... Pwede rin, baka naman gagamitin nila yung... What is the Starlink? Yeah, the Starlink, no? Of Elon Musk. Baka naman nila gagamitin nila. Okay? Sabi kasi nila, hindi rin dadaan ng local telecommunications company. Okay? Yung Starlink pala, I went to the mall 2 weeks ago because our PLDT fiber optic in the house keeps on bogging down. Every month, mag-bug down yun for 2 to 3 days. So, naghanap kami ng portable. In fact, Starlink pala is on sale na in electronic shops here. So, you buy the unit for 25,000 pesos. Okay? Malaking box. Siguro, as big as this, ano? Nandun yun. Nakakahiga ito. So, nandun yung buong Starlink component. It's plug and play. Ilalagay mo lang sa bahay mo, tataas mo yung mga ano niya, receiver, and so on. And then, turn it on, plug it into the power source. Good to go. Okay? And then you pay a monthly service fee of around 15,000 pesos. Pero sabi, you don't need to just put it in your house. If you go anywhere else, you bring it in your car. Okay? Hindi mo sabi ko nung pick up mo, punta ka sa probinsya, plug mo ulit, yun, up na naman yung internet mo. Okay? That's good, no? Right? So baka yun ang gagamitin nila. Okay? Kasi they promised that this time, there will be 100% connectivity. Wala na raw manual uploading. Everything will be transmitted electronically. Let's wait for that. Now, there is another component. The online voting and counting system. The OVCS. It is pending public bidding. Final public bidding. The first bidding failed. Kasi yung daw mga nag-bid are not compliant, no? Technically capable of doing it. Ito lang naman to internet routing. And this will be used solely for